Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit pin-backed pyramid studs with our grain machine. We'll start off with our die set. So this is what your base die is going to look like. That's going to hold your backing pin that goes into the bottom. This is what your top die is going to look like. This is going to hold your pyramid. We'll screw that into the top of the machine. We're going to take our backing pin here, and that's going to be put into the base die, pointing upwards. Then we can take our pyramid stud, which looks like this, and that's going to go face up into our top die. Just push that in place. I'm going to take some material that I have here. I'm going to pop that in between the two dies, and we're going to compress that down. And there we have a pyramid stud there with the backing pin on the rear.